So somebody made the comment to me today that it couldn't be done. So my backyard, that tree line back there, is 80 yards away. I'm shooting these 22 caliber, 25 grain pellets. We're gonna shoot spray bottle. We're not gonna go all the way out to 80. I'm gonna do this all in one cut. It's gonna be a little long. I'm recording this uncut, completely unedited, just so that, just for proof. But I was told 40 yards, which is half my backyard. It's roughly almost impossible with a pellet rifle. I told him I've hit squirrels and dropped possums out at 100. He didn't believe me. So, barrel sitting on top the barrel, about 45 yards out or so. Yeah, I'm posting this on PGR just so I got it saved somewhere. I'm sure some of you guys probably think it's an easy shot. It really is for most people. The guy I work with that said it can't be done. I don't know what he was thinking. I told him I've already used a 5.56 rifle and dropped a squirrel at almost 600 yards. And he tried to call bullshit on that. So, we just go do it again. So, see if I can't figure something out here. So, I don't know. I don't think it's gonna let me. And then to make it more difficult, I'm holding my phone while I'm doing it, just to prove point. So I don't know if y'all. So what brand? I don't remember what brand this is, but I took this scope off of a 223 rifle I picked up a while back. So there's my dope chart. I got my dope chart on a sticker on the top of the barrel of the gun. Let's see if I can't catch this on video. It's not exactly hard.